Okay, language explorers. So let's look at today's, or this week's, Tuesday verb. So become, become, become. To achieve a certain state of being after time. After time. So to go from one thing to another. So look, the plant becomes bigger. The bulb becomes a plant, yes. The bulb turns into a flower. Bulb becomes a flower, yes. How cool is that? Yeah. So it starts off here and slowly becomes a flower. Yeah. How cool is that? So I want to become a teacher. She wants to become a student. They want to become professors. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that? So I will become the main teacher. Yes. Go from one thing, become this something else. He will become an actor. How cool is that? She then becomes the chef. She then became a doctor. Became a doctor. She will become a doctor soon. Soon. How cool is that? So, I became, or I become, you become, they become. I became, or I will become a teacher. You will become my student. They will become fluent in English, for example. They will become something. They will achieve fluency in English. How cool is that? He becomes, she becomes, it becomes. Yeah. So it becomes a red flower. Yes, a red flower like this. Exactly, it becomes a red flower. It grows and becomes a big flower. The animals become grown up and big. Big animals. They might become deadly. Deadly. Maybe. She wants to become an astronaut. Yeah, maybe wants to become. He becomes a teacher, doctor, banker, writer. He wants to become, there's the S, wants. He becomes a writer. He later becomes a writer. Yeah. He later becomes a writer. Yeah. How cool is that? So we could say he became the leader eventually. Over time, just eventually, over time. I'm going to become rich. That's the idea, yes. That's the idea. I'm going to become rich after I help millions of people with their English language. I will become rich once they become fluent in English. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Do you think he will become the leader? Do you think he will become the leader? I don't think he will become the leader. I don't think he will become the leader, singular, but he might. He might, maybe. It is possible. Yeah, it's possible. Yeah. I'll have to wait and see. How cool is that? So, I become, you become, they become. He becomes, she becomes, it becomes. Yeah, how cool is that, Language Explorers? So, become. Now, can you write become in a sentence? Write it in the comments below. And subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons on their way. More stuff. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram. Just look for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy. Just look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.